A 33-year-old Jamaican man has been charged in the United States after being caught in a major drug bust. Rudolph Hilton appeared in federal court in Fort Lauderdale on Monday after U.S. authorities intercepted a 45-foot vessel in the Atlantic Ocean. Hilton and another Jamaican national, Alden Delano Brown, were on board at the time. During the inspection, officers discovered signs of tampering. A concealed compartment was later found under the cabin floor containing 68 bricks of cocaine weighing more than 70 kilograms and 14 bricks of marijuana weighing about 12 kilograms. U.S. authorities say the drugs could be worth millions of dollars on the street. Court documents state that Hilton told investigators he and Brown had taken the vessel from Fort Lauderdale to Jamaica about a month earlier. While on the island, Hilton reportedly accepted an offer of $100,000 to return the boat to Florida, knowing illegal drugs would be hidden on board. Hilton is now facing 3 federal drug trafficking charges and is in custody at the Broward County Jail. He's scheduled to return to court next Monday for a detention hearing. The second man, Alden Brown, has not been listed in U.S. custody records up to this time.